Oh man, it's so good. Hello, I'm your college cook. I am 3 weeks away from going back home for the summer. That means I'm trying to avoid buying fresh produce for the next few videos. If I have to for some recipes, it's going to happen, you know. If it happens, it happens. Today, I felt like doing something special. So I'm making some spam musubi. This is a go-to snack and easy lunch prep. It's only 6 ingredients. Well, 7 if you include furikake, which I'm not since I don't have it. Anyways, let's get to cooking. The first thing I like to do is cook the rice. We're just gonna thoroughly wash it. For a single batch, which is about 1 can of spam, you will only need 2 cups of rice. But we're cooking 3 cups today. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. That sort of rule, you know? Once fully cleaned, we're gonna put this in a rice cooker. Check to see if the water level is good. Should be at about your first knuckle length. Press down or whatever you gotta do for your rice cooker and just let it cook. I know I put rice cooker in the luxury items when I made my kitchenware list, but I love this so much. As the rice cooks, we'll get the spam ready. Taking it out of the can and cutting it into 8 slices. Now, there's definitely a better way to cut these like more evenly. I just don't know it. I kind of just cut through the middle like this multiple times until I get 8 slices. Constantly aiming for the middle kind of works. I mean, it works for me. Also, be sure to wash your spam can. If you've never made spam musubi before, trust me, it's a lifesaver. Setting down our big pan at medium heat, we place down the spam slices one at a time. Cook on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until it looks crispy enough for you. This is a preference thing, you know. You can pick how crispy you want it. Once both sides are cooked to your desired crisp, we're gonna pour in some soy sauce, mirin, and some sugar. Some people might mix these 3 in a separate bowl and mix it thoroughly before pouring it onto the spam. But I don't want to wash another bowl, so I just pour it on the top of it and mix it while cooking it. Give or take 2 minutes. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah. Once the timer is up, place the spam down. And hopefully your rice finishes cooking during the same time that your spam is done. That's why I like to cook the rice first, so we'll be able to do everything together. I'm actually gonna add some sushi vinegar and some mirin to the rice. But if you'd like, you can leave the rice alone. This is also a preference thing. All that's left now is having our nori ready. Most nori, when bought, will be in sheets like this, so you'll have to carefully cut them into thirds. There you go. We'll grab some saran wrap and cover the spam can. Place down a spoonful of rice and shove it down all the way. Could be more or less, up to you. We then add our spam, and we push that down as well. Once everything is pushed down as far as it can before, you know, breaking the spam, we'll grab the saran wrap by the edges and pull it up. We then place it down at the end of the nori and wrap and roll. Be sure to wrap it rough side facing up and shiny side down, like with sushi. I like to carefully push the sides to have a more pretty look to it, you know, pretty points, if you'd like. Oh yeah, these look beautiful. Or at least I think so. And that's enough for me. We are saving the leftover rice for the near future. Wink. Although I made this for lunch tomorrow, I might as well try one right now. Oh man, it's so good. This is really tasty. I can eat this forever. Okay, I better stop before I have no lunch tomorrow. I hope this video helped you out. That musubi is an easy and price-friendly thing to make. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.